Just picture the utter tenacity and determination required to manufacture a Bugatti in just 6 months, all without the use of robotics. Enter the world's supercar factory, where every corner is rich with stories of skill and perfection. Well, we're not simply skimming the surface. From concept to completion, we'll go over every aspect and detail required to make your dream ride a reality. Inside Porsche's factory, the Porsche Leipzig factory is located in the outstanding landscapes of Germany, and it is a symbol of automotive greatness. Every day, an outstanding fleet of approximately 550 Porsche Macan and Panamera cars roll off the assembly lines, each one a masterpiece in its own right. Within its walls, the lengthy process takes place in 3 distinct realms: the body shop, the paint shop, and the assembly line. Body shop line. The complex act of car assembly takes place with precision and care along the body shop line at the Porsche Leipzig factory. At the start of this journey, the car's foundation is laid, beginning with the assembly of the underbody in 4 large portions, methodically built from the ground up. Each car is given its unique identity through a transponder bearing a distinct identifying code, a symbolic birth certificate, encompassing all of the vehicle's detailed characteristics. As the production line advances, the side panels and roof are smoothly merged onto the underbody, with each component slotting perfectly into place to achieve the iconic Porsche profile. In the next stage of the process, the automobile receives more definition as the doors, bonnet, and boot lid are specifically attached to the frame, adding depth and character to the growing masterpiece. Paint shop line. In the paint shop, the car goes through 6 stages. The procedure begins with thorough cleaning, degreasing, and soaking in a zinc phosphate solution to aid in the correct adherence of corrosion protection. The vehicle is then cathodic dip-coated, which involves immersing it in a tank of electrically conductive water. Base dip and paint. Following that, welding seams and flanges are sealed with specialized PVC materials to prevent water from entering and ensure long-lasting durability. An underbody seal is then placed, allowing for the application of 3 paint layers: primer, base coat, and clear finish coat. The base coat is applied in the customer's preferred color, followed by a clear coat finish to protect the paint layers and improve their gloss. The final inspection takes place in a meticulously designed light tunnel, where inspectors utilize energy-saving flexible lead strips. Final assembly. In the last phases of production, doors are removed for completion on a separate line, and the interior is put into the body using a combination of industrial assembly and manufacturing methods. A new overhead rotation machine replaces the lifting station for fitting brakes and fuel tanks, providing more ergonomic working conditions. The car then moves down the outside line, where numerous components such as the windscreen, headlights, and seats are installed, as well as the unmistakable Porsche symbol. The critical moment occurs during marriage, when the body is totally automatically connected to the completed driveling. Final assembly duties on the assembly line include filling fluids and attaching wheels once the engine wiring harness has been installed. Inside Bugatti's factory, the Bugatti Chiron, one of the world's fastest production supercars, has a long heritage of outstanding design, dating back to creator Ettore Bugatti. Bugatti's latest masterpiece, the Mistral, is billed as the Hyper Roadster of 2024. Its exclusivity knows no bounds, with all 99 order slots quickly secured at an astounding cost of $5,379,750 used in 2024. Manufacturing process and craftsmanship. Each Chiron takes around 6 months to manufacture without the aid of robotics. Instead, assembly is based on professional craftsmanship and the unique E-tuner system, which assures exact torque values for more than 1,800 bolted joints. At the plant established in 2005 for the Veyron, a crew of 20 workers assembles the 1,800 parts that comprise the Chiron. This structure, designed by architect Gunter Henn, recalls Bugatti's lengthy history in the region, dating back to 1909. Customization and personalization. Bugatti offers La Maison Persang, an elaborate modification service that allows buyers to personalize every aspect of their Chiron. Each Chiron is completely unique to its owner, from the leather and Alcantara colors to the carpet, and even the seatbelt colors. With roots in Italy, where design is renowned, Bugatti maintains an uncompromising commitment to service and attention to detail, ensuring that each Chiron embodies the brand's tradition of perfection. Engineering marvel. The Bugatti Chiron has a massive 16-cylinder 1479 horsepower engine that can push the car to an enormous top speed of 261 mph. The Chiron, equipped with carbon fiber and polished wheels, is both an accomplishment of engineering and a work of art. Bugatti collaborated with Michelin to design specialized tires that reduce the car's overall weight. Before delivery, the bodywork undergoes a rigorous 6-hour inspection in the light tunnel to ensure perfection. After undergoing intensive final testing to ensure that every detail matches Bugatti's precise standards, the Chiron is ready for delivery. Inside Ferrari's factory. Vehicle assembly line. The Ferrari assembly line is an exciting display of machine and human creativity, where newly painted car bodies with a variety of color combinations are expertly transformed. The primary body is divided into top and bottom portions. It moves through a series of well-planned processes, such as inserting dashboards covered in leather and adding unique logos. Before the finished car is delivered for inspection, experienced workers make sure every part fits perfectly with an acute attention to detail. Ferrari's dedication to perfection can be observed in this annual process, which combines creativity and beauty. The engine assembly plant. The modern prancing horses have a close connection to their 1947 beginnings in Ferrari's timeless legacy. The Craftsmanship assembly automatic control idea is represented by the 75-year-old Vate station at the engine assembly plant. Accuracy is ensured in positions like piston insertion because of the special combination of human skill and machine efficiency. Even while robots play a crucial part in technical operations, human expertise is important when it comes to the difficulty of engine assembly. The last automated station, the Cold Test Bench, does an initial run test to confirm that every engine part satisfies Ferrari's strict specifications. The paint shop. In its 75-year history, Maranello has placed importance on creating state-of-the-art driving machinery. Although the classic red hue is still popular, modern paint technology allows consumers to choose from a wider range of colors. The modification process involves skillful hand use, mixing numerous colors and materials for a perfect finish, while technology assures color constancy. The body welding plant. The Ferrari body welding plant, named after the late Sergio Scaglietti, an important Enzo Ferrari partner, is evidence of his creative and excellent work. Working as a link between human knowledge and robotic automation, the facility produces an important number of Vate and Weld models every day. The lastratura, ferratura, and revision stages of the production process provide careful assembly and quality control. The mechanical machining department. Every classic prancing horse engine part is created at Maranello's mechanical machining department, a masterpiece of state-of-the-art machinery. Every standard from the Phone 75's powerful engine to the 296 GD's elegance demands technique and grace. This department moves between perfection and creativity, whether it's handling the difficult certification process of a V6 crankcase or controlling the extreme heat of ovens that reach temperatures above 600 degrees. Enter the milling area of the workshop, where the E6 crankcase is put through a demanding performing arts, displaying the never-ending search for efficiency in the creation of Ferrari's mechanical marvels. Robots are like flexible concertmasters. They can play with a variety of tools and can modify their performance to the demands of the time. Is a major focus of the department, which works for recycling water and uses creativity to save up to 200 liters of water per day. Within the department's specialized yet exciting concept manufacturing area, net finished parts are animated through advanced 3D printing, controlled by a 4-laser optical system. From cylinder heads to front and back suspensions, this creative technique shows the department's skill in duplicating special parts for the Classic Chi department. The foundry. Despite difficult working conditions, the Ferrari foundry takes pleasure in its craftsmanship, turning solid aluminum bars into high-performance racing parts. Since Enzo Ferrari's early days, the basic manufacturing method has mainly not changed, melting aluminum in furnaces and pouring it into molds. The exact removal of flaws and organized mold inspection show the human touch with care. The human experience becomes the master in the assembly process's explosive climax, where accuracy and temperature control take center stage. The model area. Exploring Ferrari's model area at the Centro-style design hub reveals an important phase in the creation of new cars. Experts in color, modeling, and mathematical design combine in this area. Skilled sculptors carefully produce a full-size clay model that fits both digital models and original sketches, using 3D mathematical designs developed from 2D sketches. This is a difficult process that takes place within specific timings, taking 7 days and requiring at least 2 creation cycles. A structure made of metal or wood starts a process that involves designers and modelers working together to modify the final shape through automated milling, hand modifications, and reverse engineering scanning. Using advanced stereolithographic processes and modified molds, hard parts are made of a strong, high-density polymer. A light coat is applied after the car has been properly cleaned, and LED lights show how light interacts with the body of the vehicle, ensuring accuracy. Ferrari highlights the value of human hands, eyes, and judgment in the 21st century while remaining committed to the creativity and skill of its human workers. Even in the face of technological advances, the A-class data obtained from the final scan forms the basis of the production model. Before we speed down the course, remember that the supercar factory's pulse never stops. Subscribe now to stay in the fast lane of innovation and learn what's under the hood of the world's most desirable vehicle. Your ticket to the next lap of entertainment awaits.